Hi, my name is Stephen McGee and I'm the author of Curing Electromagnetic Hypersensitivity. And we're here today to look into radio frequencies. We have a radio frequency meter here. And the reason why we're going to do that is in this book, because I've actually been doing some human health research. And I noticed over the weekend that I was starting to get very irritable. And I want you to read that paragraph in the center, because it says that in general, he found that low-powered radio frequency would cause tranquilizing effects, and high-powered radio frequency created irritation. The sensitivity was person-dependent. So when you put a person into a radio wave field and you irradiate them continuously, they can become very irritable. And this is in line with the manual for this meter. So this is the 10 Mars, it's the TM196. It's a radio frequency meter. And it says down here, we recommend a maximum level of 614 millivolts per meter for prolonged exposure. So I got curious. I was seeing this irritability show up over the weekend. It just came out of nowhere and came on very, very strong. So since I own a radio frequency meter, I thought I would take it outside and see what it was reading. And I got quite a shock. So we're going to go outdoors with the 10 Mars meter. And remember that number. So this number, this 614 millivolts per meter, is a well-known standard in the radio frequency industry in the international world. So let's see what we find outdoors. So we're here at the side of my home, and this is what we're reading for radio frequency. So we've got 250 millivolts per meter. So let's walk down the side of the home and see what we find. So as you can see, these fields are quite patchy, and we just walked through a patch. We'll keep going, and we just got to over 600. So this right here seems to be a little bit of a hot zone where we're getting quite high values. So we're going to keep going. And what I think is actually causing these numbers to get high is just the proliferation of wireless technology in the neighborhood. And previously these numbers were actually very, very low. They were actually down below the 100 range. So you can see that the side of my home has significantly changed. And there's a lot of very weird technologies going into neighborhoods today, giving these very high values in residential neighborhoods that previously read very low values. And it's going to be interesting to see where time takes us as this radio frequency environment increases. I hope you enjoyed the presentation, and I wish you the very best of health. Thank you.